Connect Primary 1 for Egypt, Year 1, Term 1.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Connect Plus.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat.
I can throw. I can swim. I can skip.
I can kick.
I can dig. I can throw. I can throw. I can swim. I can swim. I can skip. I can skip.
I can kick. I can kick.
I can dig. I can dig.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and say.
Kick, dig, swim, skip, throw, kick, 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 dig, 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 swim, 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 skip, 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 throw, throw, throw.
Sing.
I can skip. I can throw. I can jump, jump, jump. Skip, throw, and jump with me. I can kick. I can swim. I can dig, dig, dig. Kick, swim, and dig with me.
Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
In, I, in, I, in, I,
Insect. 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 Ink. Ink. Ink.
under, under, under,
Umbrella. 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 Up. Up. Up.
Exercise 1. Look, trace and say.
Next we will learn to say where things are.
In.
She's in the box.
In.
She's in the box.
On.
It's on the flower.
On.
It's on the flower.
Behind.
He's behind the umbrella.
Behind.
He's behind the umbrella. Where's the cat?
It's under the book.
Where's the cat?
It's under the book. It's on the computer. It's on the computer. It's behind the flowers. It's behind the flowers. It's in the box. It's in the box. It's on the watermelon. It's on the watermelon. Where's the teddy?
It's on the hat.
Where's the teddy?
It's in the box. It's in the box. It's behind the door. It's behind the door. It's under the umbrella. It's under the umbrella.
Exercise 1. Listen and number. 1,
Where is it?
It's in the box.
2,
Where is it?
It's on the computer.
3,
Where is it?
It's behind the flowers.
4,
Where is it?
It's under the book.
King. King. King.
Pyro. Pyro. Pyro.
Queen. Queen. Queen.
Exercise 1. Look and trace. Exercise 1. Look, match and say. Exercise 1. look and color. Thanks for watching and goodbye.